Your life need to inspire people. And the people that you live with, and they need to experience, you need to show them love. Love is the best gift that you can give to the people that you treasure. Hi, how are you? This is Syaviha Mulengya, the author of the book, Men Are Crying, Women Are Weeping, a great book that will build and help you. Today we'll be talking about how you can inspire people, how you can touch lives. You live for a purpose. You are blessed to be a blessing to people. Don't live your life alone. You need people, and these people that you live with, they need to be able to know that this person is very important. They need to feel your love. They need to feel that indeed they are with the right person. And how can you show them love? One thing that you need to do is serve them. Serving people without complaining. You are created to be a blessing. So serve with what you give, with what you have, and serve. When you serve people, you'll be happy because people want to be served. People feel good when they are served. So serve in whatever capacity. Serve in your house, serve everywhere, and serve without complaint. And when you serve, serve with a smile. Encourage and tell someone something good about themselves. So the other thing, solve the problem. You see someone struggling, try to see what you can be able to do to help this person. Don't look at the problem and leave it. Look at the problem and see what you can be able to. That's where you'll be able to inspire and help the person. And the third thing that you need, show love. Wherever you go, in whatever you do, show love. When you show love, you'll build. When you show love, people will remember you, how you treated them. People will always remember, oh, so and so is kind. Show love. In whatever you do and wherever you go, you'll be able to be remembered. You'll be able to touch and transform and teach many. Oh, thank you so much. This is Syaviha. Please subscribe to this channel. And for more, read my books. You'll be blessed. You'll be touched. Thank you.